Welcome, welcome everyone. We are very, very happy to have you all here to celebrate this joyous day in Gowri's and Massimo's life.
So when she was a child, Gowri talked about having her wedding right in the circle in front of her house. Now look at where we are, on this beautiful Italian vineyard on top of a mountain, no less. So thank you for joining us all, and I'm sure that Gowri's and Massimo's grandparents are showering blessings on you from way up in the hill.
Gowri and were touring around wine country, Sanjeev guessed that something was up with the guy from Italy who Gowri kept telling us stories about, mostly mimicking his cute little mispronunciations of words. Not quite the level of blatantly telling us that you had found your scruffy, red-haired, Indian food-loving Italian man that you're gonna marry, but even still, we picked up on something special that was happening. And now, 8 years later, our suspicions have been totally realized. We are both so thrilled to have Massimo as our brother and to have this beautiful family to call our own.
Da sorella maggiore te ne ho fatte passare di cotte e di crude. Però negli anni la tua vicinanza è divenuta molto più che fratellanza. Sono fiera di dire oggi, davanti a tutti, che non potevo desiderare un fratello migliore. Auguro ovviamente a te e a Gowri un amore ricco, puro e ovviamente multietnico.
Take a swig! Oh, okay.
गिरिजात्मकं सुरवरं विघ्नेहरम् ओझरं ग्रामोराञ्जनसंस्थितं गणपतिं कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान.
We wish both of you bring lots of happiness to each other, continue to grow each other, encourage each other for new challenges, stay grounded all through your successes and possible failures. Be the closest of friends and respect each other and respect your heritage.
È bello essere qui oggi con tutti voi. Massimo e Gowri si sono scelti, hanno deciso di diventare compagni di viaggio, siamo felicissimi di questo. Speriamo che il vostro viaggio insieme sia davvero lungo e che sia sempre felice. Papà, io davvero spero davvero che riusciamo a trasmettere questo sentimento che proviamo, perché siamo onorati che il nostro figlio da oggi faccia parte della famiglia Nayar, che è una famiglia splendida.
Cheers to Gowri and Massimo. May your marriage be as spicy as Massimo's first encounter,
With the Indian food.
but with the right amount of sweetness to balance it out.